55 new followers? That means 55 more pieces of trash to pick up today. Let's get started. Piece number 1. Here we go. Let's see how much we will find today. Okay, that's 5. 10. Losing count already. 55. What was I thinking? Feels like 100 already. Halfway there? Maybe? Still going. Thanks to you guys. Big thanks to all 67 of you. Especially those who comment. You keep me motivated. And here comes the last one. 55 pieces thanks to you. 1 follow equals 1 piece of trash. Let's reach 100 and finally get that trash picker.